Hi everyone, it's Friday, February 27th, and I've gotten lots of questions about NVIDIA. How can a company report such strong quarterly results, exceeding expectations on both sales and earnings, and take up their guidance, yet see their stock drop by high single digits? Let's break it down. The first part of the equation is earnings, and what we can take away is that the stock price leading up to the actual announcement likely included expectations of a significant beat. And you can see this in the fact that NVIDIA's stock price had surged by 15% since mid December. So it fits the narrative of buying the rumor, which ran up the price to the date of the announcement, and sell the news and take profits. And the second part of the equation is guidance, because guidance is a promise and not a guarantee, and it's clear that investors have questions about that promise. There are likely questions about rising competition and a relatively limited customer base in light of that competition. And this is highlighted by the fact that Asian competitors saw their stocks surge after the NVIDIA report. Questions were also raised specifically by Michael Burry about supply chain commitments. He noted that their non-cancelable purchase obligations surged from $16 billion to $95 billion in the last year. Burry commented that this is not routine business behavior, and he said it reminded him of what happened to Cisco Systems during the dot-com bubble. Cisco ended up with a ton of inventory due to non-cancelable supplier agreements and ended up having to take significant write-offs when their demand stalled. And my 2 cents is that the bar is going to keep rising for AI stocks because of the investment and financial commitments being made. Because at the end of the day, not all of those investments and commitments are going to have a positive ROI. And while the market knows there will be some winners, it likely knows there will be more losers. So investors will seize on opportunities to lock in some gains. If you like my content, please like, share, and follow, especially on other platforms, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.